All right, so we're getting ready for game day. It's going to be a crazy cook. We'll probably have 3 to 4 grills running, but we're going to start off getting these baby backs ready. I'm going to use this spoon, take off this membrane by sliding the spoon against the bone all the way up to the membrane. It's just going to take it off immediately. Stay tuned. And one easy swoop, done. All right, stay tuned. So what we're gonna
Action. Right.
I'll edit it.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this yellow mustard. We're just gonna use it as a binder. It doesn't really add to flavor at all. Burns off. You never know it's there, but we're just gonna we're gonna open the mustard first. All right, and take my meat hand and rub it in. All right, we're done with the mustard. And now both hands have touched the meat, but I'm gonna slide it over here in this tray, and we're gonna get ready for seasoning. Stay tuned. Okay, action. All right, we're gonna start with savory and sweet. So here's our savory, this Texas rub. And then we're gonna try this Jolly Roger jalapeno garlic black rub. And then on the second rib, we're going sweet. We're gonna try some honey killer bee, and Texas sugar rub by Meat Church. Let's see what happens. All right.
Action.
So both slabs are gonna get a little treatment with this salt, pepper, garlic Texas rub. And now we're gonna go to the savory. And we're gonna go heavy on the savory. Try not to waste, because it was expensive. All right. And now we're going sweet. Some killer bee. All right, I'm gonna flip them over. Be right back.
Action.
Here we go. Savory. This is gonna be different. This is more so what I would do for a brisket, but since I don't have a brisket, we're gonna treat this slab like a brisket and just kind of see if it's a good idea or a bad idea. We will find out in about 5 hours. And here's our sweet and savory, the one that will most likely taste better. We'll see. Proof is in 5 hours when we do a taste test. Then we're gonna add our salt, pepper, garlic to both. All right, we're gonna do a little dry brine. Get the grill up and running. See you guys in a little bit. Little B-roll.
Go.
All right, this is WrightsGrill. We're gonna talk about this. What today's sponsor is Jealous Devil. We're gonna rock Jealous Devil. We're gonna have some pecan, because Philip, my nephew, said let's rock pecan and apple. So we're gonna put those slabs on with pecan and apple and fueled by Jealous Devil. And then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do the exact same thing in our second Kamado. Out of the vortex, we're gonna run pecan, and then buried underneath the charcoal is the apple, because you want the wood underneath the hot coals. And then we're gonna start them up with this. And when the wood is underneath with the hot coals, it's gonna clean that wood. That combustion is gonna happen. We're gonna get that clean smoke and that delicious smoke. And so this is where it's gonna happen.
Action.
All right, check it out. We're gonna take these sausages, this turkey smoked sausage, cut it up, put it on skewers. Saw this online today, and I told that guy who posted this, I'm totally gonna try this. So we're basically gonna make this taste like burnt ends, and we're gonna season them up, and then we're gonna put them on the grill, and then we're gonna put sauce on them, and I'll show you what the end result is like. Stay tuned.
Action.
All right, we're back. So this is the second half of the crazy Super Bowl cook. We're gonna add some nature's seasoning to this. There's no salt. So we're just gonna add that to our vine real heavy, because obviously there's no salt. And I have like 4 packs of this. That one's gonna be a problem. All right, smells good already. That pecan mixed with apple wood. What do you think, Philip?
It smells delicious. Somebody really smart probably picked those 2 wood combinations. I don't know who that was though.
That person probably also likes to film. All right, so here we go. We're gonna drop these on here some kind of way into the vortex. That sizzle is always a good sign. Good things are happening. And we shut her down. All right, we'll be back.
Perfect house right there like this.
Man, cooking out here, bro, this is golden to me, man. And this is my peace, my joy, my sunshine, you know. Okay, we're on the griddle. We're gonna make some queso. So we're gonna get this meat going here. And just gonna grab this spatula and get that going here. Ground turkey. We're on medium. Gonna put no salt in here. And we're gonna use this Morton Nature seasoning. We're gonna let one side brown a little bit, and then we're gonna start turning that around. And then in the skillet, we're gonna build this queso up. So we got this evaporated milk. And just use 1 can for now. I'm not really sure how many cans I'm gonna need. I'm making a lot. We have a decent sized crowd here. I'm gonna have this run on low. Add the Mexican cheese. London. The Harvati to this queso cheese dip. And then we're gonna touch it up with just a little bit of Munster. All right, add some Munster. All right, so we're gonna get this ground turkey in here. All right, so we're gonna let that melt down. And before we finish doing that, we're gonna add some veggies to it as well. Normally I cut them myself, but because it's the Super Bowl and we're pressed for time and we still have a lot of other things to cook, we grabbed some pre-cut veggies. So we're gonna get all of that in there. We're gonna let this melt down. And we're gonna have some delicious queso.
Just pouring on the ice.